How to delete recently played on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I'm here with simple, easy and quick tutorial on how you can delete recently played on Spotify. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Spotify application and beside the settings option in the upper right corner, you can find your recently played list, but here we can't find any option to delete the recently played. So what we can do to delete recently played is just go on settings of your Spotify application and scroll down until you see the option social, and onto the social you can see the option private session. Just enable it. After you enable your private session, your listening activity will be hidden for 6 hours. Now the other way to clear your Spotify recently played list is just scroll down a little bit and you will see the option storage, and under the option you can see the option of clear cache. Click on it and clear your cache. But if you want to completely delete your recently played list, just log out of your application and the recently played list will be deleted completely on your Spotify account. So that's it. By following these steps, you can delete your recently played on Spotify. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.